Hello everyone. I'm going to go and harvest my pumpkin leaves to make a galo. Since you have given me the recipe today, I have time, so we're going to make galo and maybe I'll do some mukbang with it. I'll ask if my kids and my husband would want to be filmed, but if they don't want, it's okay. I will do myself. And thank you so much for the recipe. Let's go and collect harvest the pumpkin leaves. There are lots. Come, let's go. So I'm going to pick the pumpkin leaves for galo. I'm going to make galo today now. It's 8:30 p.m. 8:30 a.m. for this noon. I'm going to make galo. So let's go and take some harvest some pumpkin leaves. This way. This one. I'll try to clean it afterwards. So see, it wants to flower. It wants to give already the pumpkins. So where are you going? Stay with me. I'll cut it here. Then I will eat you. These are the. So I'm going to make galo with it. I have noted down the recipe that you have given me. Here also. See, I have a new pumpkin coming up. I'll take out that front part so that it will even this side. So I have to go and collect everywhere, see? And this one is going inside. I have to cut it off. They look so healthy, this one. Soft. And here too. Voila. And here I'll let it go, this one. And here, this one also. Even if it's a different variety of pumpkins, the taste doesn't change. It's all the same taste. I did it with this one. You know, different types of these are different mixture of different types of pumpkins. But as a leaf, you know, they have the same taste. So here, see, I have lots already. Not bad. What I want to do is see. Someone told me someone commented that we can eat the perilla leaves. So I'll try to eat the perilla leaves. I'll taste it, okay? I'll taste it. I'm going to taste it. I didn't know that we can eat this one, no? Really, I didn't know. If I knew, I would have eaten long time back. This one, they are so healthy. I'll taste it and I'll let you know. I'll do mukbang with it. There, coming back to here. Big perilla leaves. I'll try to eat it. See this one. See, I'll try to eat it, okay? I won't take much because I'm not sure. I don't know whether it's good, but they said it must be good. I'm sure it must be good. With this one, you know, pork. I'll try to eat this one, okay? Here again, pumpkin leaves to make the galo. I'm going to make the galo. I remember my mom used to make galo before when I was young, but I forgot totally. I completely forgot about the galo recipe. So I'm doing the thing that you gave me, the recipe with the perilla leaves. And just wanted to tell you that it's very tasty with the perilla leaves. Thank you so much for the recipe with the pork and perilla leaves. Really, it's very good. Thank you so much for this recipe. This is the galo I made, according to the recipe you gave me. So here's rice, bastenga, the beef, and the pumpkin leaves. So we're going to eat it. So I'm going to eat the galo that I prepared according to the recipe that you gave me. So this is the galo. My kids and my husband doesn't want to be filmed, so I'm doing it by myself. This is akoni and this is mircha. So let's start. My son, he likes it. Not bad. Not bad. Very good. Really, thank you so much for the recipe of this galo. My husband started to eat. I'll ask him whether he likes it or not. C'est bon?
Le sel, forcément, pour moi, hein, bien sûr. C'est un peu fade.
Yeah. C'est
Non, au contraire, j'aime bien.
C'est pas fade encore. Il y a de bœuf. C'est pas fade du tout même.
Je sais pas, peut-être rajouter du piment.
Yellow.
So, my son is eating. He likes it so much that he's serving again. Tu
Non, mais
tu étales comme ça.
regarde, tu fais comment?
It's too hot for him. So he's liking it. My husband,
Ouais, ça manquait de piment.
he said that it's good, but he said it would be better if we add chili. So he added chili. This one. He added chili. Me, I'm eating with this akoni. So it's good. But for him, he said it would be better if we add chili. So he's adding. I didn't add chili because my kids cannot eat chili.
No, not with those.
Not with not that high dose of chili. So my husband is adding the chili. Ça va mieux, c'est mieux ou pas?
Clairement.
He said that it's better with chili.
Ça manquait de sel et de piment.
Piquant, tu veux ou pas?
De sel.
Un peu, ouais, quand même.
De sel, pour moi, si j'ajoute trop, c'était trop. Ouais.
Moi, je
So,
pense que salé. Je vais essayer, mais
Thank you for watching. This is my
la goutte.
galo recipe. My son also, he wants to add chili.
J'ai 5 gouttes pour ça.
J'aurais quasiment rien senti.
So he's adding chili to eat it.
Ça n'est
T'as
pas
aimé
trop
mon
parce
bébé,
que
Miguel?
ce piment
Tu
a
aimes?
un goût
So my
particulier.
younger son also is liking it. So the family is liking this galo recipe. Thank you so
Goûte
much.
déjà comme ça.
Thank you for
Je mange
watching.
bien.
Next mukbang will be coming.
Mais ce piment n'a pas juste
Sorry.
le piment.
My husband and my kids doesn't want to be filmed. So I'm doing it alone. But they like it. Thank you so much. Bye bye.